Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making Instant Pot red beans. What all goes into the Instant Pot red beans? 1/2 pound andouille sausage, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 3 stalks celery, 4 cloves garlic, 1 pound dry uncooked red beans, and I actually did soak mine overnight. That helps them get softer and can cook a little bit quicker. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, freshly cracked black pepper, 3 cups chicken broth, 2 cups water, 3 green onions sliced, 6 cups cooked rice. I'm just going to be using the boil and bag rice just for convenience sake. So let's begin. All right, so I have my Instant Pot here. We're going to hit saute, and we are going to do 5 minutes. And we're going to put our andouille sausage in there, cook them until they are brown. That'll take about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, most of them are nice and brown. Take a slotted spoon and remove them. All right, so then dump in your cut up onions, your cut up green peppers, your cut up celery, and your garlic. The liquid from the vegetables should be able to remove the brown bits. You want to remove the brown bits to get all the goodness. Also, you don't want it to burn on there. We will saute these until the onions are translucent, about 5 minutes. All right, so the onions and green peppers and such are sauteed. Rinse and sort through your beans. I already soaked them last night and rinsed and sorted through them after I drained them today. So add your 1 pound of red beans. Add back in your sausage, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, your 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water. Add some cracked black pepper. Okay, give that a stir. Put on your lid. Lock it. Turn it to sealing. Cook on manual or pressure cook. It's on high pressure. We don't want to keep warm. And we want to do 35 minutes. It's going to build up pressure now. Start counting down from 35. While that's cooking, I'll make my rice. So after 35 minutes, it should be done. We'll hit cancel and do the natural release. So the little knob went down. It is safe to remove the lid. And we'll check and see if the beans are soft. They are very soft. So what we'll do is we'll just take and mash them against the side of that to get the sauce to thicken up a little bit. I'm not sure what I'm going to mash them with. I think I'll just do the back of a spatula and just kind of smash them. So put your red beans in a bowl, then put your cooked rice on top, which is completely different than I would normally do it. Then top it with some sliced green onions. So here is the Instant Pot red beans. Let's see what Dave thinks. Gave you a lot of rice.
Beans and rice is nice. This is good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.